Hello, welcome to a fingernail fixer video. Let's take a look at doing something fun with foil that might take you back to preschool or even kindergarten. Start by polishing the nail with 2 layers of your favorite gel polish. Make sure each of those layers is cured. And leave the nail sticky. Do not wipe off that cured layer. Then take a piece of transfer foil and fold it in half. You want to really create a nice seam because we're going to be cutting along that seam. Remember back in grade school when you would do paper projects this way? Using a small pair of scissors, you can cut a shape into the seam. In this case, I'm just going to cut small triangles that will end up being diamonds when we open up the foil. This is definitely something that you could pre-cut ahead of time so that you had them ready to go in the salon, and when someone came in and said, oh, do whatever, you could have these ready to go for a really cool look that doesn't take a lot of time. Just cut the little triangles or whatever shape you like all the way down the seam so that your piece of foil is ready to go. Once you have finished cutting, make sure you've pulled out any excess pieces that remain behind and open up the foil, and you're ready to apply right into the top film or the sticky layer of your gel polish. Using that cured nail, place the foil where you would want the design to appear, and then gently rub the foil into the rest of the nail so that you're transferring that foil where you still have the color. And the pretty shiny side of the foil always faces you. Then quickly pull the backing off and it leaves behind your cool pattern. This really doesn't add a lot of time to the service, so it's definitely salon friendly. Then using the gel polish top coat that goes with the system you chose to use, go ahead and apply the top coat to the entire nail to protect your foil design, and then cure that in your lamp for the recommended amount of time. This gives you a really fun, simple look that didn't take a lot of extra time, especially if you do some pieces of foil pre-cut. For those that need to know, the gel polish I used in this video was C&D Shellac Luxe, and the color is Phantom. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate your time. Please click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.